I'm not here to tell you today that your breath stinks. What I am here to share with you today is the best technique that we have found to cure bad breath. We're going to keep it short and to the point so you can grasp the information and put it to use in your own daily oral hygiene habits. So bad breath is caused by specific types of bacteria in the mouth. We call these bacteria bad bugs because they're also responsible for gum disease and tooth decay in the mouth. A couple of points I want to bring up about the bad bugs, and then we'll show you the technique. First of all, these bad bugs lay down a scum wherever they live. Okay, they do this for a couple of reasons. First of all, they lay down this scum in order to cling to or attach to whatever they're living on. So whether it's on the tooth surface or on the back of your tongue, wherever, they lay down this scum to attach themselves. The second is to be able to create a low oxygen, or what's called an anaerobic environment. You see, these bad bugs really thrive in low oxygen environments. That's an important key when we look at the technique that we have here in order to rid our mouths of bad breath.
Step 1. Scrape your tongue with something like a tongue scraper, spoon, or oral brush. Really, anything you can effectively remove the scum off the tongue with will work. Well, almost anything. Step 2. Now that we've removed the scum that keeps the bad bugs in a low oxygen environment, we can now easily kill the bad bugs simply by brushing some antimicrobial solution over the surface of the tongue. An alternative to brushing an antimicrobial solution onto the back of the tongue is to put a couple of drops of an antimicrobial into a cup of water and swish and gargle, thereby still getting it onto the back of the tongue.
Although just scraping your tongue is good, the second step, using the second step of applying the antimicrobial on the toothbrush or in the form of a gargle, is huge to really knock down the populations of bad bugs in your mouth and really reduce the risk of bad breath. We use the brushing blend as the antimicrobial after scraping our tongue, whether it's on our toothbrush or a drop or two in the gargle cup to be able to swish with after scraping the tongue, because it does a fabulous job of killing the bacteria that causes tooth decay, gum disease, and bad breath, while it supports the gum tissue to heal better by increasing blood flow to the gum tissue. Okay, make sure that you use a safe antimicrobial. This is actually really important. You know, chlorine is an antimicrobial, but I'm not saying to put chlorine on your tongue, right? If you're going to gargle with something, be very, very mindful that it's not loaded with poisons or artificial dyes and funky junk in your system or alcohols, because alcohol really dries out the mouth and lowers saliva production, and that increases the bad bugs that causes bad breath. So make sure you use a safe antimicrobial. There's the technique. We hope it helps. Holler with any questions. We're here to help you take control of your oral health. Thank you.
Or our wellness, bright smiles, healthy gums, and fresh breath, without all the other stuff.